So what's Johnny been up to? Johnny has been spending some more money on some more solar, the free energy package, because I had some more room on the boat, so I bought another 2 panels, 150 watts each, giving me 300 and 400 on the back, giving me 700 watts. So that now should hopefully help and go some way to keeping the boat running and topping batteries up at the same time under this sweltering Greek sun.
This morning. Check that out.
Choo-choo.
You get it? Well, where do we put this thing? But then we put it.
Nice little cat.
Right, look this way.
Ooh.
You like that, didn't you, Harry?
Yeah.
Right, are you happy now, Harry?
Yeah.
Good.
You
Right.
check it.
Hey?
See it.
Hey?
See your map.
Did you not like it?
I don't need to look at
you
it.
not like it?
I don't.
Did you not like it?
No, I just. Guys, subscribe to the channel.
So with my babies.
So hello Sharon and John fans, this is the famous Brandon and Coral, their children.
Hello, so it's really good being back in the UK. Sailing Clewless crew. Don't knot it until you tied it.
That's it.
Hey there, guys. My name's Carl. See my parents today. It's gonna be so fun. We're going to the Chinese.
Yeah, I'll breathe in though. You've got to breathe in.
The only person that's missing is Rooney. We really miss her. Lots of love, Rooney.
Want us to be natural.
Well, I want you to introduce yourselves.
Hi, my name's James. I'm from High Wycombe.
Hello, I'm John and I'm from Gloucester. Well, I'm from Cheltenham actually. For the purpose of this video, I'm from Gloucester.
Open the oven and show everyone the pizza again.
Hang on, that was a rehearsal. Are you actually filming? Well, it's going to be a hard one to edit.
Let me see how cooked this is.
Well done, Giuseppe.
Yeah. Oh, a bit longer.
Guapo.
My name's Andrew Henderson, and I'm feeling worse for wear after drinks last night.
Thanks for coming to my party, Ollie.
You're welcome.
You had a nice time.
Yeah.
Don't forget to watch my show.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, if you can, like and subscribe.
I will.
Thank you.
I was genuinely only joking. Thank you very much. You enjoyed it.
Take him to his word.
I can already see you're not like your granddad. You'll actually give something away. He turns the grill off to turn the bacon over. Okay, here's the trollops. Say Kaiser. Prost.
Feel the kindness in your eyes. I see the way you look tonight. It makes me wanna hold you. If I could stop the hands of time and hold back the morning light, just so I can hold you.
Nice being back on the boat, isn't it?
Yeah. Picking up all the pink jobs.
Well, someone's got to do my pink jobs.
I might break my arm tomorrow.
You might break your arm tomorrow.
Yeah, and then make myself disabled.
I just wanted to say you're doing a great job.
Everybody who's looking at leaving their yacht and looked after under garden edge, IBA, Ionian Boat Assistance, will do that for you for the week. So we've left our boat here for a week while we flew back to UK to see family and friends. And now we're back, boat's in good order, so all good. So if you need boat looking after, IBA are your people in Nidri. What are you having then, Sharon?
I'm going to have a pita bread because they look huge. And I'm going to have a soda water. What are you having?
What am I having? Pork gyros teller, chips, salad and pita bread.
Look at the size of it. It's huge.
Gyros teller, here we come.
Even these little wraps are big. Can you turn it round so you can see it? The size of that. Massive. I'm going to need to rent a car on the 10th of July so I can go back to the hospital. So John's just popped in to see what the cost will be. How much is it then?
40.
40 euros for the day?
A small car, yeah.
That's alright, we'll do that then. It's cheaper than taxi, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hi everyone, I just wanted to say thank you for all the comments you've been leaving me and all the well wishes. A lot of people have been asking, how did this happen? Well, I fell from up here. The floor was wet because it had been raining and it was the night before we were flying to UK for a wedding. So anyway, I slipped and I didn't make it to the steps. And as I knew I was falling, I tried to roll and I caught the chair in front of me, dislocated my arm and broke my wrist. So yeah, not good. But what happened was the marine police come first because John obviously rang an ambulance, and then the ambulance took me to Liveaboard Hospital, where I was seen, and they wanted to operate on it, but I said, you know, I'm going back to UK tomorrow. I need to just have it straightened so I can get on my plane. So what he did was give me a local anaesthetic, and he had someone hold my arm here, and then he pulled it and put it back into line, and then put this soft cast on there. So while I was in UK, I was staying with my friends John and Ellie, and I went to their local hospital in Cheltenham, had an X-ray, and it's still perfectly in line. So done a good job. And next week I'm going to go back to the hospital here and get a hard cast put on probably, and they're just going to X-ray it just to check it again. So everything's good, bit swollen, bit sore, but I'm managing with my left hand, so we're just getting on with things. So yeah, don't be worrying about me, I'm fine. Yeah.
So we're back after a week in the UK for friends and family and a wedding. And unfortunately, obviously, as you know, Sharon broke her arm, which means I'm picking up a lot of the blue jobs and pink jobs at the same time. But keeping her on her toes because she has got one good hand and two good legs. So it's not like she's completely paralysed from the neck down. So we're on IBA's pontoon. We're back here for just today and tomorrow. We've provisioned the boat, washed the boat down today, and then we'll get off tomorrow to some bay somewhere. The reason why we're staying is Dimitri, the electrician's done some work while we're back in UK by fitting another DC to DC charger. But I also want him to fit an MPPT that I brought back from UK, so he's going to come back and fit that in so I can get the other two solar panels then mounted later on this week, and get the extra solar onto the boat. Other than that, that's where we're at, and tomorrow should see us untying from the dock and going out to some nice bay somewhere.
Yeah, for a little paddle.
Yeah. So guys, I'm just going to show you what Dimitri came back to do on the boat. So when we look into the engine bay, he's put in a second MPPT down there. So there's the first one, and then he's installed the one below. and then brought it up to the servo, which is up there, the data cables. And whilst we were away, he put the second Orion on, which is over in that space there. So we've had a problem with the Orions where they overheat due to the engine bay getting hot, and they start deregulating the power. So what we've done is the output amps now we've set to 40 rather than the 50 that they can both push out. But hopefully that should fix that, and hopefully it will stop the alarms, because he's also made sure that the starter motor, which is down there, starts off that battery there rather than off the house bank as they were starting previously. So we'll see how it goes over the next couple of days.
Go? No. Hello. Hello. You must. Yeah, scream and together the light. And bye-bye.
Hello.
No.
Wait,
My
wait, has it started?
No, it's just this is a montage, right?
Already.
Thank you very much for this.
Give me more.
More. You've got to breathe it right in, mate.
Yeah, but you smoke cigarettes, so you know what to do. You know how to inhale it.
How's it work now?
Perhaps you like immune?
We're still here. Are you recording?
Naked bar!